everyone. Welcome to part 2 of the Odyssey program. In this part, we are going to learn about the hair. We are going to learn the characteristics of the hair, gestures, foot positions, and movements. So let's get started. Here is a small to-do list of the hair. We'll first begin by learning the hand gestures of the hair. And there are two hand gestures. There's first we'll learn the hand gesture of the face, and then we'll move on to learning the hand gesture of the tail. Second, we will learn the foot position of the hair. And third, we will learn the movement of the hair. Now, we have come to what are the characteristics of a hair. Okay. So you can see that I have put two images over here which sort of show us what certain characteristics of a hair might be. Now the first thing is that it is a small animal, and you can see that from both of these pictures that it is quite small in comparison to its surroundings. Second, it is extremely fast. The first picture over here that I'm pointing to, it shows a sprinting hare. You can see that it moves by jumps, and these are like really long jumps. Third, again, is that a hare hops or jumps and runs. Again, evident from the first picture. And lastly, we might have seen animated characters on television which hop on 2 feet instead of four, and this animated characters you see on the right hand side corner. I have put an image of an animated hare. This image is taken from the story of the hare and tortoise. You can see that the hare is preparing to run, and the hare is on its 2 feet. Okay. Now, the hand gestures used for a hare. The hand gesture used to represent a hare in Odissi and in most other classical dance forms is called Simha-mukha, pronounced, again I'm repeating my pronunciation, Simha-mukha. You can see the right hand side top image is that of the Simha-mukha, this one over here, the first image. Now the word Simha-mukha literally means a lion's face. The word Simha means a lion and Mukha means a face, therefore a lion's face. But despite that, it is used to represent all animals in dance. Now, other than a face, the hare also has a tail, and the hand gesture used to represent the tail of a hare or that of most other animals is called a pataka. Pataka. The right hand side second image is that of a pataka. You can see that the image is different from that of Simha-mukha. Here it's the palm flat, facing outwards, and all of the fingers are closed. Now, the word Pataka literally means a flag, but again, despite its meaning, it is used to represent many things in dance. So, we'll begin with learning the Simha-mukha image, and these are two close-ups of the image that I have given, and it's quite easy to form. So, let's get started with the formation. Now, I have a couple of steps, around five, if I'm not wrong, of the Simha-mukha gesture. So, through the following 5 steps, we'll get to learn. So, it's very easy, like I said again, and just follow the instructions. So, uh, raise your right hand to your shoulder level so that the shoulder and the hand are in a straight line. You can see my image over here, my entire hand from the shoulder till the tip of my fingers are in a straight line. Step 2. Now fold your elbow in at a 90-degree angle. Okay, see the top image is from a sideways. This is how your hand will look from the sideways, and the bottom image is how the hand looks from the front. So just like bring it in at a 90-degree angle. Step 3. Now join the middle and the ring fingers of your right hand to your thumb. You see that the middle and the ring finger are joined here with the thumb. Then this is how it's going to look from the front. Step 4. Raise the index and the little finger tall and straight. You can see here that after my middle and ring fingers have been joined to the thumb, I've raised my index finger and little finger tall and straight. You can see that there are no bends in my index and the little finger. And image 2 is how this is going to look from the front. You see again middle and ring finger joined to the thumb, index and little finger are tall and straight. And now the last step is just bring your hand close to your face and place it right below your chin. You can see that I have placed my hand right below my chin. The image 2 is a close up of how I have placed my hand right below the chin. Okay. Now that was a Simha-mukha, and congratulations on doing that. Now let us move on to learning the Pataka image. Okay, again it has a few steps. It's extremely simple, so just keep following. Now step 1, raise your left hand to your shoulder level so that your entire hand from your shoulder to your fingertips are in a straight horizontal line. It's the same thing that you did with your right hand, just now do it with your left hand. Step 2, fold in your elbow at a 90-degree angle again. Now you already did this with your right hand, just repeat the same with your left hand. You can see these images for further information if you need. Step 3. Now join all the fingers of your palm and make sure that all the fingers are straight and standing tall. You can see this from the image that I have put. All of my fingers, if you see, they are all joined together. None of them are like bending forward or backward, but they are all standing very straight. Now, step 4, just move your hand to the back of your body and place it on your lower back. So, like, just place it here, like on the small of the back. Just place your Pataka gesture on the small of your back, at your lower back. You can see, you can refer to this image that I have put up over here and see how my hand is on my lower back. So now this is the complete hair posture. This is how the hair is going to look from the front. You can see that I have the Simha-mukha gesture right below my chin. It is symbolizing the face of the hair. And you can see that my left hand is tucked at the back. You of course cannot see the back yet, but that is the tail. And we generally don't get to see the back of the hair from the front, right? Now let us move on to the foot position. Now the foot position of the hair is extremely simple. It has again a couple of steps. And step 1 is stand on tiptoes. Okay, just on tiptoes. You can see that I'm standing here on my toes. The pressure is on my toes. Step 2, bend slightly on your knees. Okay, so as you can see from the image, there is a slight bend on my knees over here. I'm standing on tiptoes. You can see that my heels are raised from the ground and a little, very slight bend on the knees. Step 3, just keep your back straight over here. You can see the image. My back is straight. My knees are bent, but my back is straight. Do not slouch, okay? Okay, so that was the foot position of the hair, and now we come to the movement. Now it is a jump come a run, and it is as if you are using a jump rope to move, you know. You can also sort of move your eyes a bit here and there, like looking to your left and to your right, to show how impatient or fast a hare is. And it has just one simple step. Imagine again, like I said, that you are using a jump rope to move. So just leap with your right foot as if you were using a jump rope, and then lift the left leg up and place it next to the right. And just keep on repeating this gesture whenever you are thinking about moving like a hare. It's just like skipping. It's the way of jumping. Okay, so that was it, everyone. Good job. We have successfully finished knowing and learning about the hair. I hope you all had fun learning about it. And now let us move on to the tortoise. So look for the file titled The Tortoise. See you there. Bye. Thank you.